Hello, in this video, I'm going to share some tips on how you can make your training contract applications stand out. All firms use different types of forms for training contract applications. But when I was applying, I noticed that almost all ask for the following information. This includes your GCSE subjects and grades, A-level subjects and grades, university modules and grades, work history, and some scenario-based competency and motivational questions. And it is these questions which you can utilize to make you stand out as an applicant. I will share my top 3 tips that has helped me in making successful training contract applications. So my first tip will be to really personalize your answers so that the person who's reading it is able to see you. So basically, the contents of your answer must be able to reflect your personality and experiences. Now, most firms will ask questions like, why do you want to become a solicitor? Why do you want to work for our firm? What some applicants might do is that they will provide a standard answer by browsing through the website and rephrasing information. Well, this is a good starting point, but if you do this, you will not be able to show your individual personality, and you risk losing the opportunity of really standing out and showing why you are different from other applicants. My advice would be to rephrase the questions in a way that will force you to provide a more personalized answer. For example, the first question can be rephrased as, why is it important for you to become a solicitor? And the second question can be worded as, why do you think you are suitable to work at a firm? Try answering these questions and really focus on the you element. This second tip is more applicable for competency-based questions. An example of such question can be, explain a challenging experience you have encountered recently. Instead of just giving an example of the challenge, you need to show how you dealt with the situation and what you learned from the experience. So when giving an example, make sure you clearly specify what your main responsibility was, what were the challenges that you faced, how did you overcome these challenges, and what the overall result was. This way, you will be able to show the recruiter how you handled the situation and what skills you developed from this particular experience. And the third tip would be to really think and strategize which examples of past experience you want to use for a particular firm. You need to be aware that some firms place greater importance on their employees having a certain set of competencies over others. For this, I would advise you to look through the job description, firm's values, and any recent projects that the firm has been involved in. After understanding this, you can decide which experience aligns well with the firm's culture and values. This will really make your application stand out as the recruiters can see that you have already displayed the required competencies in the past. And here is a quick summary of the 3 tips we discussed, and I hope you found this video helpful.